Hello everyone, this is Abhijit Jaikar, your math magician. Today we're gonna give all the details what a aspirant of KCET 2020 needs. Who conducts this examination? The Government of Karnataka under the Common Entrance Test Cell, which was formed in 1994, have been conducting this examination ever since. Even this year they would have completed their examination by April, but since the coronavirus pandemic, we have this postponed dates. The postponed dates are as so. The July 30th, 2020 on Thursday morning 10:30 am to 11:50 am you will have biology. On the same Thursday afternoon 2:30 pm to 3:30 pm you will have mathematics. On the next day, that is July 31st, 2020 on a Friday morning 10:30 am to 11:50 am you will have physics. On the same day afternoon 2:30 pm to 3:50 pm you will have chemistry. All of these 4 papers will be coming to you with 60 questions, and in total you will have 80 minutes, in which the first 10 minutes are given for you to fill the credentials in your OMR, where you have to fill your name, your register number and everything by blocking the circles in OMR. The later 70 minutes are given to you to solve the 60 questions and also mark your options in the same OMR, where I feel the 10 minutes will again go for you while filling those circles and also reading the questions and so many other things. For solving, you can keep 60 minutes and 60 questions. The KCET admit card will be issued soon at your official website. The official website is here and the phone number to the KCET cell is here. NCERT will cover more than 99% of the questions under KCET question papers on all the 4 subjects. So KCET is a NCERT based examination. So if at all you are thorough with your NCERT textbook on all these 4 subjects, then you can of course attend most of the question. More than 99% of the question would be attended by NCERT knowledge. With the ranking under KCET examination, which all courses you are eligible to get it? Unani, Ayurvedic, Homeopathy, Naturopathy, Yoga, Engineering, that is BTech or BE, Farm Sciences like BSc Honours in Agriculture, Horticulture, Sericulture, Community Sciences, Forestry, Agri, Biotech, Home Sciences, Agri Marketing and Cooperation, and the BTech in Agri Engineering and Food Sciences. These many courses will come under the counselling of KCET. If at all you are an aspirant of architecture courses, then you will have to qualify in JEE Main Paper 2 or NATA, and then you can participate in KCET 2020 counselling for your architecture courses. If at all you come under the agriculturist quota in Form University, then KEA will conduct the KCET Agriculture Practical Test for you. If at all you are a medical aspirant, then you have to know that with NEET becoming the national level medical test, KCET medical exam has been discontinued. So NEET being your one and only exam for your medical entrance. With all this information, I would like to wish you all the best for the coming CET examination.